Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 12 lovely years.
Yes, indeed. And today's topic, you want a great relationship? Then learn how to like being alone.
Wow. But before we get started, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell. And please, whatever you do, please subscribe.
Yes, indeed. I'm going to talk about the topic at hand right after this. True. That was terrible, though.
Thank you.
Yeah, good. Okay. Do you want a great relationship? Then learn how to like being alone. Now, I know what you're thinking. That seems like a contradiction. Huh? Oxymoron. But it is not. Because if you learn to like being alone, matter of fact, if you love being alone, then you won't end up in a trash relationship simply based on the fact that you are afraid of being alone. Being alone and being lonely is two different things.
True.
Being alone is being in one's own company, but being lonely is not enjoying that company. When you enjoy being alone, it doesn't mean that you don't want a relationship. It just means that you're not going to accept any old body and they bullshit into your life, right? Because you enjoy being by yourself, and anybody that comes into it, they got to fit in right. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Facts. They got to fit in there. They got to be like a puzzle piece that matches you, because if they're a square and you a circle, then y'all ain't gonna fit.
You understand? You already know how I feel.
Just to keep it simple. I mean, you gotta think about it like that, because they try to come into your lifestyle. You try to match their lifestyle. If they don't match, then your guys are your opposites.
Yeah. If you a circle, you want to meet a circle.
Right.
At least an oval.
Right.
Do you know what I'm saying? We all similar.
Right. So you can squeeze in there.
Okay, but if you a circle and you meet a square, baby, one of these things just doesn't belong here.
So what I would say too for men, ladies, listen, men, being alone seems to come easier for us men. We tend to like being alone because we need time to decompress, right? We need time to just do stuff that we like doing alone. And if we do not get the time that we need to be alone, we are going to become less grateful for your presence, and we're just not going to miss you in the way that we need to.
Yes, there's a difference between your partner neglecting you and you not getting as much time as you would like.
True. Very true.
There's a big difference. Okay? If you are getting the time and they are there and they are present and they are like with you, even if it is not as much time as you want, they are there.
They're there.
They are engaging. But if they are there, but not engaging,
disengaged.
Get what I'm saying? And or they are gone and just not checking. Now that turns into neglect.
Yes.
I find that men tend to have less respect for women that are needy and clingy, unless they themselves are needy and clingy. Many men use time and attention as a manipulation tool to get what they want. And if they do not get what they want, they will withhold it from you until you cave in. This is one of the many examples of why I say you must learn to love to be alone and love to enjoy your own company.
Yes. All right, up next, part 2.
And check that joint out.
That's right.
Please, because you're going to miss something.